Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will continue our data structure series with select and sort program. Before moving on to the coding part, let's learn some basic about select and sort. Suppose we have four numbers. Here it is 5, 4, 2. Now we will compare 7 with all other three numbers, which will be 7, then 5, then 4, then 2. Since 2 is the smallest, so we will sort it at the first point, so it will goes in our sorted array 2, and rest 3 will be in unsorted array. Now we will compare the rest 3. Since here 4 is the minimum, so it will go with 2. It will be at second position in the sorted array, and rest 2 will be in unsorted array, and so on with 5 and then 7. Then our array will be sorted. It is better than bubble sort. For the program of selection sort, we will define a class. Let's call it as sort. We will define a data variable which will be empty list. Now we will define an insert function to insert data into our data variable. We will take a val input from the user. It will be of integer type. Now we will pass an statement in our input. It will be enter the data. Now we will append this val in our data variable, self.data.append val. Now we want our users to have two choices: one to append another variable, and two to go back to main menu. So choices equals to input 1 to insert another data, 2 to go to main menu. Now we will check what our users have inserted. So if choice equals to 1, then we will recall our insert function, that will be self.insert. Else we will return from the function return. Now we will define another function. Let's call it as selection sort function to sort our data. First we will define a length variable which will be equal to length of self.data. Now we will run a loop for I in range length. Oh, I accidentally turned on my caps lock. Length. Now we will set a minimum index which will be equal to I. Min index equals to I. Now we will start another loop for I j in range I plus 1 to length. It will start after I. Suppose if I at 0, it will start from 1. So here we will check if self.data at min index is greater than self.data at j. If this is so, then we will set min index equals to j. Nothing else we want to do inside this loop. We will swap our data at both the index outside this loop. So self.data I at I and self.data at min index, we will swap these two equals to self.data at min index and comma self.data at I. Now we will define our display function, display, display function. Let me press enter here so you can see it clearly. So now in insert we will run our selection sort function, self.selection sort. Now for I in self.data, we will just print I. Now in main, it will be same as that in bubble sort, so we will copy it from there, copy and paste. We just need to change B to S and everything else will remain same. Now we rerun the program. Now want to insert due to display, so we will insert some data. And insert. Now let's see, here it is sorted. If you have learned anything from this video, kindly like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.